Welcome back to the channel, Legit in Game here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make X-ray vision for your game of Roblox. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go into Start Player Scripts and insert a local script. You can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to name this X-ray vision. That, and make sure you copy all the code exactly how I type it because it's case sensitive and it'll probably not work if you type anything different. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so the script should be done now. With this X-ray hotkey at the top, you can change this key code to whatever you want. I just chose mine to be X because I want my players to press X if they want to use X-ray vision. Okay, so let's go into the game and test it out. Okay, so if I press X, then you should be able to see through objects. It's good if you want to be able to see your friends. So if your friends are hiding around the world and you want to try and find them easily, then you can just use X-ray and then you'll be able to find them. So if this video helps you and want to see more videos like this in the future, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when that video comes out. So I'll see you in the next video.